Hello everyone, myself Mehavi Lalwani. Welcome you to Arka Shuddha Lakdi Ghana oil. Before I take you through all our products, let me just brief you about Arka Shuddha Lakdi Ghana oil. So guys, don't you think that heart attack, diabetes, blood pressure, cancer have become very common in today's world? The data indicates that these health issues have increased significantly in recent 40 to 50 years. Have you ever wondered what is the root cause behind this change? Its rise in the use of refined oil. On one hand, the refining process takes away all the vital nutrients that are present in natural oil such as protein, omega-3 fatty acids. On other hand, bleaching agents and chemicals like hexane turn the oil almost into a poison. Yes, poison. So, Arka Shuddha brings 100% chemical free, pure natural oil. Our oils are extracted using ancient Indian cold pressed wooden technology that is also known as Kachi Ghani. We at Arka Shuddha promotes healthy and natural lifestyle. Purity and transparency are our utmost concerns. Hence, we have kept a complete visibility at our unit. So right now, let me show you first how the Lakdi Ghana looks. As I said, at Arka Shuddha we have maintained a complete visibility and transparency at our unit. So you can see this is the glass door. So anytime our customers can come and vouch for the quality by themselves. So this is the Lakdi Ghana where the oils are extracted. You can see this drum is made up of wood and this is also wood. So the temperature is maintained over here. So now let me take you through all our products. You can see here these are all cold press oils. This is groundnut oil, shengdana oil. You can see the color. It's not transparent. It's thick. It has a natural aroma. Then this is coconut oil. This is black sesame oil. काले तिल का तेल जो बोलते हैं. Then this is white sesame oil, सफ़ेद तिल का तेल. Likewise, we have many oils, and you can see our all oils are packed in glass bottles. We have 1 liter bottle, we have 200 ml half liter bottles. We have avoided plastic completely. We want to give 100% pure products to our customers. That's why our all products are packed in glass bottles. So this was all about Arka Shuddha Lakdi Ghana oil. You can come anytime and vouch for the quality by yourself. Our address is Arka Shuddha near Alka Talkies Chowk on Kumthekar Road, Sadashiv Pet, Pune. So when it comes to eating healthy, it starts what you are cooking with.